is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount, and we've got Peyoung Yakisoba. This is a squid ink and I believe garlic variety. So that sounds like fun, doesn't it? Doesn't that sound fun? It sounds like fun. So here we are. And there's a vegetable sachet and then this murky yakisoba sauce. So we'll see how this goes today. This brand is really interesting because they've got their standard yakisoba and they like went all sorts of crazy with that in the past. They have a Gigamax and a Petamax. The Petamax is a yakisoba that comes in a box the size of like a family-sized box of Cheerios. I'm serious. And that was my 4,000th review. I did all sorts of crap with that thing. It was fun. So there we are. I'm gonna give it a little whoosh. Slap the lid on here. And we got 3 minutes. So I promised that this episode would involve things that are good and happy. Oh, my wife got some gluten-free pizza mix. So it's just like you add a couple things, throw it in the bread machine, you got your pizza dough. So I'm really stoked on that. She's been doing the gluten-free thing. It's helped her out a lot, and which is cool. And what else? What else is good in the world? I guess in Ukraine right now there's a reactor that's close to meltdown. Is that a good thing? I don't think so. Comment below. I'm gonna go with that's probably not a good thing. I said I would talk about good, happy things. Gonna go with my buddy and go see Star Trek 2, The Wrath of Khan director's cut at the movie theater in a few weeks. That's a neat thing. It's August, but in a week, it'll be Miles's birthday. Hey, Miles. Come here. Here comes Miles.
I'm coming too.
Oh. I thought you were going to go take a shower. Oh, come on, you're stinky. Hey, Miles.
Yeah.
Guess what?
What?
In 1 week, it's your birthday.
Yay!
There you go. Go play. Have fun. In 1 week. Yeah.
Can I say hi to the nice people?
Absolutely, birthday boy.
Hi, nice people.
They are nice, but they can be nasty.
Oh, I better go tell Mama
Okay,
that
go
I
tell.
have a poop.
Oh, okay. You could do that.
Okay.
Well, we got 36 seconds left, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. You go tell Mama. And, yeah. One thing to know is to massage sachets. You want to make sure everything's nice and warm and mixed up. That's a handy thing. And, yeah. All is well. All is well in the world, except for the nuclear meltdown, impending doom. But not too bad. But, yeah. All right, let's see. We have yakisoba ready to drain. Let's look in here. This is the second episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time I'm doing today. There are 2 more after this. Think of it. Think of it. Alright. Noodle looks alright. I've had some of these I've enjoyed thoroughly, and some of these that I've found to be just like abysmal. So hopefully this is enjoyed thoroughly. I've drained my noodle. I don't think I'm ever gonna do that on camera. If you really want to, you know, you can do your own videos of draining noodles and such. And now we need scissors. So here we are. Here's our sauce. Our sauce. Yeah, that's amazing. So let's see how dark this is, because I mean it's squid ink. It should be really dark, I would think. I've had squid ink pasta before that I really liked. It was quite good and enjoyable. Let's see, but it was more Italian. Okay. Here, let's give it a try. It isn't very dark. I was hoping for a darker look to it. That's my thing. I don't like light looking yakisoba. It's really quite salty. I'm looking for the squid element here. I think it's just a coloring. It's not. I think this would be better with a lot of like oil. It needs more of something. Yeah. As always, nice amount of cabbage. That's a plus. There we go. Our bowl. We're gonna use this today. Let's spread you around a little bit. We've got a lot of veg down in the tray. They keep calling these things cups. They're not cups. Look at this amazing cup. It's like, and this is a smaller tray. They call them cups on the bigger trays too. I don't. Okay, so what are we doing here? I think what we're gonna do is add an egg. Nice contrasty egg. Right on top. I hope I didn't cut it too lean. Nope. So there's our egg. And we are going to use some of this stuff. You might be familiar, Kewpie mayonnaise. Everybody likes Kewpie except for my daughter. I'm really kind of, oh, come on. There you go. Mayo farts. A little bit of spring onion. And a wee bit, that is a English measure, a wee bit of sesame seed. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Some squid ink yakisoba from Japan. Out of the kitchen, go. And hurry. Yeah, I'm doing a show. Alright, the next one you're gonna see is this Myojo Okinawa Soba. So catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye.